Thinking about becoming a UGC creator? You're not the only one, and no, you're not crazy for seeing the potential. The UGC industry is exploding, on track to hit nearly $10 billion by the end of 2025, growing over 25% every single year. Why? Because brands are ditching traditional ads and investing heavily in content made by real people, creators like you and me, because it drives way more trust, engagement, and sales. But here's what no one really tells you. Even after working with over 250 brands and leading creative strategy for a UGC agency, I can confidently say it's not as easy as it looks. Behind the aesthetic videos and highlight reels are hard truths most creators don't talk about. So in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain and sharing 6 raw truths about UGC that I wish I knew when I started. These are the things no one's posting about, but you need to know if you want to make this work. So let's dive in. Truth number 1, UGC is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You've probably seen creators talk about 5K or 10K months, and while those numbers are real, what you don't see is the 6 to 12 months of trial and error it took to get there. What looks like overnight success is usually the result of consistent work, skill building, and a lot of rejection behind the scenes. Now that $500 campaign to wash your hair or apply makeup sounds like easy money, right? Until you realize you're spending hours communicating with the brand, revising the script, reshooting content, and maybe chasing down payment. UGC isn't just making a cute video, you're marketing a product, and that means learning how to create content that actually converts. There's a steep learning curve, especially if you're new, things like camera work, lighting, editing, scripting, voiceover pacing, marketing psychology, and the list goes on. And whether it's for organic social or paid ads, every frame has to serve a purpose. Now, when you're just starting out, landing $1,000 deals is rare. You'll be building your skills, your confidence, and brand reputation, and it will take time. And honestly, it's taken me years to develop these micro skills, and I'm still learning every day. But here's the thing, if you genuinely love creating and storytelling, this learning curve becomes part of the fun. It's a business, yes, but it's also a craft. And once you start treating it that way, everything changes. Now, don't let this truth scare you. I'm just not here to sugarcoat things. I'm here to help you succeed with your eyes wide open. Truth number 2, pitching is a skill, and it's not as simple as sending generic DMs. Sure, there are tons of free pitch templates online, and you can even use my own pitch template from the Ultimate Pitch Bundle that I've linked below. But here's the real deal. Every single pitch needs to be customized. You have to show brands you get their goals and explain exactly how you can add real value. Now, gone are the days when copy-paste pitches got results. With more creators flooding the space every day, if you want to stand out and land deals, your approach needs to be strategic, personal, and tailored. Now, when I started out, I blasted tons of generic pitches with little to no response, and everything changed once I began crafting messages that spoke directly to each brand's needs, sharing specific ideas, and showing genuine interest. Now, even after working with so many brands, I still get rejected. Hearing no is just part of the game. But every no sharpens your pitch and brings you one step closer to that yes. Now, remember, pitching well is just as crucial as creating amazing content. It takes time, patience, and smart strategy, but once you master it, your UGC career will skyrocket. Truth number 3, you need way more than just good aesthetics. Sure, polished, beautiful content can catch an eye, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. So what really moves the needle is storytelling, strong hooks, marketing psychology, and above all, relatability. Brands aren't looking for pretty videos to fill their feeds. They want content that drives real conversions and sales. Now, early on, I spent hours perfecting every lighting angle and edit, thinking it was the secret to winning deals. But shockingly, one of my simplest low-effort videos blew past those polished ones in performance. Why is that? Because it had a powerful hook, clear messaging, and spoke directly to what the audience cared about. And that's when it hit me. It's not about making things glossy, it's about grabbing attention fast, telling a story that connects, and inspiring action. If you're liking these tips so far, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video from me. But for now, let's get back into the video. Truth number 4 is you'll question your worth way more than you think. Imposter syndrome, it's real. Now, when I started, I constantly asked myself, why would a brand pay me? Or is my content even good enough? Especially as a person who used to be really shy and kind of still am to this day. And on top of that, I was trapped in the comparison trap, watching other creators land big deals and thousands of dollars while I struggled. Now, my very first paid gig, it was like $50 for a fully edited video. I was thrilled at the time, but looking back, I put in hours of work and basically paid myself pennies. And that's how many of us start, accepting low rates just to get a foot in the door and build confidence. As a lifelong creator, it took a serious mindset shift to realize I wasn't just making cute videos. I was helping brands market, convert, and make thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars from my content. And now that is real value. Now, after working with so many brands, my rates reflect my strategy, skills, and experience. But confidence didn't come overnight. And even now, those doubts sometimes do sneak in. But the difference is I don't let them hold me back. So if you're early in your journey, comparing yourself, doubting your skills, or scared to charge what you deserve, you're definitely not alone. Growth in UGC is just as much about building your belief as it is about leveling up your content. Truth number 5 is that there is absolutely room for you even in 2025. Now, I get it. It can feel like the UGC space is packed and everyone else already has a head start. But here's the reality. reality. The market isn't oversaturated, it's evolving. New platforms are popping up, brand budgets are growing, and companies are hungry for fresh faces, new voices, and unique points of view. You don't have to look like a model, live in a perfectly styled apartment, or edit like a pro to succeed. What matters is your perspective, your tone, your niche, and your storytelling. That's what makes you unforgettable. Now, some of the most successful creators I know aren't perfect, they're just relatable. They've carved out niches that feel authentic to them, and that authenticity is exactly what connects with brands and audiences. So if you're thinking, who would want to work with me? Just remember this, your unique vibe is your superpower. You don't have to be the best, you just have to be yourself and lean into your strengths. Truth number 6, community and support matter way more than you think. The UGC journey can feel really lonely, especially when you're pitching, hearing no, doubting your content, or watching others succeed while you feel stuck. That's why having a strong creator community is absolutely essential. Now, one of the best places that I've found that community is on X. It's where creators actually talk, sharing real-time wins, struggles, feedback, and encouragement. It's raw, honest, and supportive if you're willing to show up and engage. Some of my most valuable connections started from simple replies, tweets, or celebrating small wins on that timeline. Now on X, you'll find creators from every level, from beginners to full-time pros, all learning and growing together. So if you haven't started building your community there yet, I highly recommend it. That's also why I created tools like the Ultimate Pitch Bundle and other free resources linked in the description to help you feel less alone and more equipped as you grow. So some of these truths might be a little tough to hear, but here's the biggest truth of all. UGC can absolutely change your life if you treat it like a real business. It's not just about pretty videos or free products, it's about strategy, mindset, and consistent effort. Every truth I've shared today comes straight from my own experiences, the mistakes, the wins, and everything in between. So if you've ever struggled with self-doubt, comparison, or just not knowing where to start, know that you're not alone. And if you're ready to take UGC seriously and build a strong foundation, grab my free 5 steps to become a UGC creator guide linked below. It's packed with the essential steps to avoid the common pitfalls most new creators face. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start pitching with confidence, you can check out the Ultimate UGC Pitch Bundle designed specifically for beginners who want to land paid brand deals. Inside you'll get 200 plus brand emails to pitch, UGC creator platform list, 4 plug and play pitch and follow-up templates, 2 Canva portfolio templates and a media kit template, 2 invoice templates and a rate card template, and just so much more. So I'll leave all the links in the description below for you to check out. Now remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see the next part in this series about what brands actually look for in UGC creators. You definitely don't want to miss that one. Thanks so much for watching and keep building your dream.